हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, जिसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे एमएससी जूलॉजी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का फर्स्ट पेपर न्यूरोफिजियोलॉजी एंड जनरल फिजियोलॉजी, जिसका टॉपिक है नर्व एंडिंग, जिसको बायो एनालाइजर भी कहते हैं। जिसका हम इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे। नर्व एंडिंग आर स्पेशलाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चर इन द नर्वस सिस्टम दैट facilitate communication between the body and its environment. This tiny but highly complex structure are responsible for sensing stimuli and transmitting signal to the brain and spinal cord for interpretation. In zoology, understanding nerve ending is crucial for studying the physiology and behavior of animals. This document explores the nerve ending, their structure, definition, functions, and significance in biological system, with references to their role in zoological studies. Definition: nerve ending are terminal part of neurons where the axon ends and make contact with another neurons, muscle, or gland. This structure can detect various types of stimuli such as mechanical, thermal, and chemical changes and relay this information through the nervous system. In zoological context, nerve endings are studied to understand sensory perception, motor control, and reflex action in animal. Structure of nerve endings. Nerve endings are primarily composed of axon terminal that are rich in synaptic vesicle, mitochondria, and specialized membrane protein. They are surrounded by glial cells and connective tissue, which provide support and insulation. Depending on their function, nerve ending may be first encapsulated, second non-capsulated. Non-encapsulated. First encapsulated, surrounded by connective tissue such as papineus corpuscles, which detect pressures. Second non-encapsulated, free nerve ending that detect pain and temperature. The diversity in structure reflects the varied function of nerve ending in sensory and motor system. Types of nerve ending. Nerve ending can be classified into two major categories based on their function. First, sensory nerve endings. These detect external or internal stimuli and include mechanoreceptors, detect touch, pressure, and vibration. Example: Merkel cells, messenger corpuscles. Thermoreceptors detect temperature changes. Noisoreceptors detect pain and harmful stimuli. Chemoreceptors detect chemical changes such as taste and smells. Second, motor nerve ending. These are responsible for transmitting signal to muscles and gland to elicit a response. Example include neuromuscular junction that control muscle contractions. Functions of nerve ending. First, sensory perceptions, transmitting information about touch, pain, temperature, and pressures. Second, reflex action, facilitating rapid response to stimuli without conscious thought. Third, motor control, regulating voluntary and involuntary movement. Fourth, homeostasis, maintaining internal balance by detecting and responding to changes in the environment. These functions are integral to survival as they allow organisms to adapt to their surroundings and respond to potential threats. Role in zoology of nerve ending. Nerve ending are a focal point in zoological studies due to their impact on animal behavior, adaptation, and evolution. Key areas of interest include: first, sensory adaptations, exploring how animals adapt their sensory system to diverse environments. Second, behavior studies, understanding how nerve ending influence predator-prey interactions, matings, and foraging. Third, comparative physiology, study in the similarities and differences in nerve ending among species to trace involuntary pathway. Fourth, neurobiology of pain, investigating how animal perceives and respond to pain. Nerve ending in different animal. The structure and function of nerve ending vary significantly among species, reflecting their ecological needs and lifestyle. Examples include: first, vertebrate; second, invertebrate; third, aquatic animal. First, invertebrate, simpler nerve ending that detect basic stimuli such as light and touch. Example: jellyfish have nerve nets. Second, vertebrates, complex nerve ending for advanced sensory functions such as vision and hearing. Example: mammals have specialized receptor to detailed tactile perceptions. Third, aquatic animal, mechanoreceptors like lateral line system in fish that detect water movement. Nerve ending and disease. Malfunctions in nerve ending can lead to various neurological disorder and disease in animal humans, such as peripheral nerve neuropathy. Second, neurodegenerative. Third, sensory deficits. First, peripheral neuropathy, damage to peripheral nerve ending causing pain or numbness. Second, neurodegenerative disorders, disease like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's affect synaptic functions. Third, sensory deficits, impairments in detecting stimuli due to receptor damage. Recent advance in research. The study of nerve ending has advanced significantly within the modern technique like microscopy. Second, electrophysiology. Third, molecular biology. Fourth, artificial sensory system. First, microscopy, high resolution imaging to study nerve structure. Second, electrophysiology, measuring electrical activity in nerve ending. Third, molecular biology, understanding the genetic basis of nerve function. Fourth, artificial sensory system, developing bio-inspired sensors for robotics and prosthetics. These innovations have expanded our understanding of nerve ending and their applications in medicines and technology. Conclusion: nerve ending are vital component of nervous system, enabling animals to sense, respond, and adapt to their environment. Their study bridges the gap between physiology and behavior, providing insights into the survival strategies of different species. Understanding nerve ending is not only essential for zoological research but also for advancing medical and technological innovations. By delving deeper into the complexities of this structure, we can continue to uncover the intricate working of life. References: